Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Synthesia, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create a Synthesia account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. But why would you want to create a Synthesia account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that putting together content can be time consuming, especially if you're putting together training videos. And with Synthesia, you can quickly create videos just with text. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in their website, synthesia.io. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there. But I've already pulled up their website, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to create a Synthesia account, you're going to click up here, Get Started. Okay, Synthesia has a couple of different plans available to you. So if you pay for an entire year, you can see the discount right here, or you can pay monthly, and then the price increases quite a bit. So $18 if you pay per year, per month, or $29 per month. So go ahead and just choose the plan that best fits you. And if you want to see the other features, just scroll down and you can compare the two plans. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and sign up for the starter plan. Okay, next, in order to create an account, they're going to ask for your email. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that in off screen. Okay, I entered in my email. You can also sign in with your Google right here. So I'm going to click on continue. Okay, next, Synthesia is going to ask for your first name, your last name, and to create a password. So I'm going to go ahead and do that off screen. Okay, I entered in the required information. I'm going to click on create account. Okay, next, Synthesia sent me an email code. So I'm going to grab that code and paste it in here. Okay, I pasted in the code. I'm going to click verify code. Okay, next they're going to bring you to the credit card checkout. So they're letting me know it's going to be $29 per month. So they have my credit card information from Link. So I'm going to go ahead and enter in my credit card information and continue. Okay, I confirmed my credit card information. I'm going to click on subscribe. Okay, next, Synthesia is going to bring you on to this questionnaire. It's basically onboarding questions. So they're asking what department I'm in. I'm going to go ahead and click freelancer. And now they're asking what types of videos I'm interested in. Now they're asking how I learned about Synthesia. I'm going to click other and continue. Okay, next, bringing me into the video creation. So what's the first video? I'm going to click on technical issue and start creating. So here you can go ahead and start inputting information to create this video. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a Synthesia account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.